It's a little bit noisy outside because I've got the kids are home. It's Friday and they start nursery full-time next week. They've been doing a little bit of part-time stuff this week, just to get them into the run of things. My lens cap's a little bit dusty there, sorry. Anyway, I'm in the middle of an edit for this little music video, and for the first time ever I've had the audio sync in Premiere Pro work flawlessly. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So this is my timeline right here, and you'll see there's lots of different clips and different bits going on. Let's just turn off my adjustment layer. And I just want to sync all these up so that the sound is right. So what I've first set out is I've put all the clips from this bin over here, from the bin called Tom, and I've chucked them all on the timeline, and I've put them all into separate audio and video tracks, but obviously corresponding, so they all sit there. I've also got my master audio right down there, and then when I select everything, bar the adjustment layer, and I right click and I hit synchronize, watch this. Boom! There you go. All beautifully, perfectly synced. And it is synced. I had to undo that to go back to where I was so I could show you. But before I undid it, I actually played it all through, and it's all perfect. Astounding. Sometimes it works perfectly. On the one before, it didn't work at all. I had to do it like almost 3 or 4 clips at a time, and then most of them I had to do manually. But sometimes it works, so it's always worth trying it and doing it.